The next letter is R. The sound of the letter R is R. Let us learn a few words with the sound R. R, rabbit. R, rose. R, radio. R, rat. R, rabbit. R, rose. R, radio. R, rat.